Hi everyone. Today we will talk about LINQ and an introduction of LINQ and what is LINQ. LINQ stands for Language Integrated Query. LINQ is used to filter or retrieve data from data sources such as collection, list, array, and from text file, from XML file, etc. So firstly, we start with a new project, and in this project we need to define a class. For example, we name the class here is LINQ example, and inside the class we define a public static method to query integer number. So the data source here is a list or an array of integer. So we have some of the integer here for example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we want to filter data from this array. So we use the syntax like here. So firstly we have source of data, and second we have the condition. This is a condition for filtering data used in LINQ, and this is which we select. And what is arrow because we do not import the library. So click here and using system.linq package, and this is what or which value to select. So we can display to see, and this is which value to select. It is something like the structured query language or SQL in a database, something like this. Third, we have query execution. So the result here is an enumerable interface. So it complement to this interface, and we can display here by iterate this like in an array. So we call the function here by the syntax of class name dot function name. So because it is a static method, so we call this using this and run. So okay, we have some of the value here. So the value here divided by 2 is 0. So you want to convert the result to array. It is quite simple. You can convert the query result to array by using your function toArray. It will convert from the enumerable to array. Yes, you can select multiple type here and select toArray. So it will convert it to array, and you can use it like a normal array or list. So you iterate this using for it, and write to the screen, to the console, the number. So each of the number in the array. So after running, we have convert query array to the query result to array. So we have 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. So secondly, we need to convert the result to a list. For example, you can have a list of string, have a list of integer, and have a list of object. You can do similarly with array. So you copy this and rename list of number and rename this to list, and also rename to that is a list, and the name you copy this to the description here, convert query result to list and list of object. Okay, and then you can check for this to iterate from the list of number and print to the result to the screen, write number. Okay, so write to end of conversion. You can write to end of okay. So after running, we have the result has the same as to array to list, and summary you can convert from I enumerable to list and to array. Okay, so this is the end of my lesson today about an introduction of LINQ. Thank you so much and hope you to see in detail more in the next lesson. Bye bye.